So today I'll be dismantling this machine. I'll give the video in clips, like short clips, then we'll have long ones. So it has a problem with the door, but the biggest problem is with the bearings, the drum. Let me show you how to identify the problem. You can see it's shaking. So I need to, when it's washing, it makes a lot of noise. Then it's very hard to know. You can't wash with all this noise. So I will open this machine, then you can check out the back. It's also leaking because I have a problem of the oil seal. Once the bearings are worn out, they also damage the oil seal. So the oil seal also has a problem. That's why you can see it's leaking at the back. Fortunately, it did not damage the motor. The water did not damage the motor, so the motor is still intact. The motor is still working properly. You can see this bearing is, I don't know if you can see it properly. The outer bearing is worn out completely. So I will be dismantling it. So check my video section for more videos on this. I'll be uploading them shortly.